Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at the camera feature in Animaker. The camera feature allows us to zoom in and focus on any part of our workspace so that we can give that special attention. To use the camera feature, all you have to do is come down to the timeline and select the camera timeline. The important thing to note is there are two different types of cameras right here. If we just click on this, you can see that there is a static camera and then there is a dynamic camera. Now the static camera will go in and look at a specific place without any sort of an animation or a transition. A dynamic camera is going to slowly zoom into a particular place that we want it to. So what do I mean by this? Well, let's take a look. So we'll go over static camera first. Now let's just say we have this video of, I'm going to call her Jane. Jane is going to present something on this presentation right here. And we are going to focus on this in a little bit, say after 4 seconds. So to use static camera, I'm simply going to drag the playhead all the way here. I'm going to click on this again. And now I am going to focus specifically on this part. Perfect. So let's change this to a static camera as well. And if I play the scene right now, you'll see that for the first 4 seconds, we will be focusing on Jane talking. And then the camera just cuts in specifically into the scene to showcase the coins. So that was how static camera works. But what about dynamic camera? Well, dynamic camera is slowly going to zoom in to all the coins. And let's see how that works. I'm going to click on this, change it to dynamic camera, and you can see a pink bar appears along with the purple bar. Now the pink bar will just tell you how long it's going to slowly zoom in, while the purple bar tells you how long it's going to stay in this little frame. I want the camera effect to zoom in for a good 5 seconds and then to hold on to these coins for 1 second. So I'm just dragging it to make sure that the pink bar is there for 5 seconds. Perfect. And now I'm going to play this scene. Once again, Jane is busy talking about the coins, and you can see that slowly there is a nice zoom into the presentation. And there we go. A nice zoom effect right into wherever you'd want. So there we have it. Camera in Animaker explained easily.